Everyone, today we're going to make a reaction to Chucky vs. Leprechaun 4. I know it's Leprechaun vs. Chucky 4, but I'm gonna use Chucky vs. Leprechaun 4 as my reaction video title. And this is Jigsaw Games V5. But I will add this title after the second title when I'm gonna place it. Anyways, original link in the description, and I'll start the reaction. I will be using Chucky as a thumbnail. Okay, let's focus on the video. There's other videos from Jigsaw V5. We have Chucky and Leprechaun. Let's see who will win in this fourth video. This is the fourth. Since Chucky won 3 times, and let's see who wins this fourth one. Well, the song is censored, so okay, I turned down the volume just in case if there's any sounds loud or any scary maze game jump scare. Here, the normal Chucky. I'm not sure if I can have this song uncensored. Look, I'm not allowed to say that one word. I mean, if you know what I mean. But I'm not gonna say that. Okay. Let's see who's winning. Well, Chucky won. To be continued. Goodbye.